Greetings, viewers. Welcome to Tenant Advisory Services in California, the Top 10. 1. Organizations that provide free legal services. Tenant rights are a focus for many of California's free legal assistance organizations. In cases involving unlawful detainers, lease disputes, or eviction defense, groups such as the Legal Aid Foundation can give advice and representation at no cost or at a reduced rate. 2. Helplines for tenants' rights. Tenants threatened with eviction or dealing with landlord-tenant disputes can obtain instant help by calling a hotline like the Tenants Together hotline. Information and legal advice are readily available through these sites. 3. Associations of local tenants. One great method to meet other renters and have access to resources is to join a local tenant organization. Common services offered by these groups include holding workshops and disseminating information about tenants' rights, as well as advocating for more equal housing rules. 4. Services for housing counseling. The California Housing Counseling Network is one example of a nonprofit organization that provides residents with individualized counseling services. Lease interpretation, eviction avoidance, and financial advice are all areas that these programs may help with. 5. Groups rooted in the community. Housing justice and tenant rights are important issues for many community-based groups, including ACCE, Alliance of Californians for Community Empowerment. Tenants who are victims of unjust treatment can rely on their education, advocacy, and support services. 6. Clinics for tenant rights. At tenant rights clinics hosted by several California law schools, law students provide pro bono legal representation to tenants facing eviction or other housing-related issues. Extensive legal counsel watches over these facilities. 7. Internet-based material. Numerous paperwork, instructions, and information pertaining to eviction processes and tenant rights are available on websites such as the California Courts Self-Help Center. Anywhere you go, you may access the vital information provided by these platforms. 8. Departments of housing for cities and counties. When it comes to tenant-landlord disputes, local rent control laws, and housing aid programs, many city and county housing offices have specialized divisions or experts who may provide advice. 9. Services for mediating disputes. Dispute resolution programs and similar mediation services help renters and landlords negotiate a settlement out of court that satisfies both parties. 10. Tenant rights seminars and workshops. Library, community center, and legal assistance group. Lectures and seminars are worth keeping an eye on. From learning about your rights as a renter in California to avoiding eviction, these events have you covered.
Call now 714-442-9741. Thank you.